Water. We drink it, we swim in it, and we wash ourselves with it. Water is an integral part of our lives, and we cannot live without it. Same goes for other living organisms. Without water, life will not exist. You ask why it is so? It is because water has unique properties that make life possible here on planet Earth. 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom make up a water molecule. Because oxygen has a higher electronegativity than hydrogen, the electrons are closer to the oxygen atom. This gives oxygen a slightly positive charge and the hydrogen atoms a slightly negative charge, thus making the whole water molecule polar. Water's polarity gives water unique characteristics that accounts for the wide range of life on Earth. First one is water's high specific heat. Specific heat is the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of a 1 gram sample of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. Water's specific heat is 4.184 joules per gram per degree Celsius, or 1 calorie per gram per degree Celsius, which is considerably higher than those of other substances. This is because water's polarity lets it form hydrogen bonds. So much energy is used to break apart hydrogen bonds than to heat molecules. This means that water can absorb or lose a significant amount of heat before temperature changes, thus allowing us humans and all other creatures to be better able to withstand a wide range of environmental temperatures. If water didn't have such high specific heat, life on Earth would not be possible because living organisms will not be able to undergo drastic changes in their body temperature. Second is water's cohesive and adhesive properties. Cohesion is the attractive force between similar molecules in the same phase, so water with water. And adhesion is the attractive force between molecules in one phase and different molecules in another phase, so a liquid and a solid. Both cohesion and adhesion are important to life on Earth, especially plants, because they help trees and other plants pull up water to their top leaves. The third characteristic is water's expansion upon freezing, thus making ice less dense than water. And because ice is less dense, it can float in water. This is very important for the survival of living organisms, especially those that live in lakes, ponds, or any other bodies of water. During winter, when it is cold, ice forms at the top because it floats, not impacting the creatures who live in the water. If water did not have this property, ice would freeze from bottom to up, killing the creatures who live in the water. So as you can see, water has 3 key characteristics: its high specific heat, cohesive and adhesive properties, and expansion upon freezing, which all make life possible on Earth. It is because of water that this cute dog is able to live. So what should he do? We should all thank water.